evil and plastic surgery to people that were criminal, kind of criminal lifestyle, they just come out to help them become better people. So that potentially to improve the people that want to live positive, that's good look, have all sorts of other virtues. And evil here seems to be suggesting that a halo is physically strong and safe.
So this is Radio New Zealand on 15720, and just to give you an idea of how high solar activity is, I don't think I've ever received Radio New Zealand on that frequency in the month of January here in Montreal, Quebec. So this is pretty surprising, and actually if they keep this frequency, it actually looks good for the next summer season. So Radio New Zealand on 15720, this is on the Yaesu, using the V antenna in the backyard. I'm very, very surprised to actually get it. Actually, it was a post on the Facebook group by Ricky in Alberta that said he could hear it. And I thought, let's try it just for the fun of it. Well, it's there. It's not very strong. Has a lot of fade outs, but it's 1 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock in the morning here. It's like 05:20 or something. And more than that, it's 05:50, sorry. So it's going to be 1 o'clock in about 7 minutes. Total darkness, 06 UTC. So kind of surprised to hear Radio New Zealand, 15720.